Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from ONGC. Yes, when you will go to the official website, dear students, ONGC India, here you can see in the career section recruitment in engineering and geoscience disciplines at E1 level through CBT computer based test. Okay, when you will click here, registration link, detail advertisement, syllabus, everything they mention here. So when we are clicking here, we can see this detail advertisement. Let's check it out. So this is the detailed advertisement for the E1 grade, okay, position. So ONGC is a Maharatna public sector, we know very well. So first of all, pay scale, emoluments and other financial benefits. So E1 level 60,000 to 1,80,000 will be the pay scale, but when you will include here all these things, so okay, the CTC will be, I think, around, they mentioned there 25 lakh. Okay. So well, let's talk about the next thing, details of post and minimum eligibility criteria. Yeah, for the geoscience discipline, here, geologist, okay, geophysics, they are having here. I am talking about engineering. Yes. So for the engineering, AEE, production, mechanical, graduate engineering, and graduate degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 60% marks. Stream is mechanical engineering. Number of vacancies are 11. AEE production, petroleum is also there, chemical and mechanical, again drilling. In that one, 23 vacancies are here. BTech in mechanical engineering required, graduate degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 60% marks. So mechanical, okay, petroleum, chemical is also mentioned here. Again, one more there for the mechanical, AEE mechanical, graduate degree in mechanical engineering with 60% marks. 6 vacancies are here. And electrical is also there. So AEE electrical, graduate degree in electrical engineering with minimum 60% marks. Number of vacancies are 10. Okay, here. So we can understand what is this. So they mention some notes. You can check it out, the details here. What is the notes is saying? Okay. Okay. Now age limit. Age limit for the unreserved students. This is 26 year for AEE. Okay. I'm talking about mechanical and electrical. So 26 year for OBC, SC, ST. This is different. You can check it out this. And age relaxation is there. Yes, according to the government rule. Now the selection procedure. So eligible candidates will be required to appear for the CBT test, objective type comprising of 4 sections: general awareness, concerned subject, English language and aptitude test for the total duration of 2 hours. Okay. CBT score will be considered by ONGC for shortlisting the candidate in the 1:5 ratio in interview. Okay. For the further selection process of personal interview as per the criteria decided by the management. Okay. Shortlisted candidate will be subject to a group subjected to a group discussion. Then after interview, GD will be there. The final selection of the candidates will be based on the parameters CBT score and performance in the personal interview. So CBT 85 marks and interview 15 marks, total will be 100 marks. It's just like the bail only. Okay. So, and then finalization of merit list will be there and they will update you shortly. This is the official website. You can check their details here. Now, format of the CBT. This is the concerned domain: mechanical, chemical, petroleum, electrical, geology and geophysics. Number of questions 40. General awareness 10 question. Aptitude test 25 question. English language 10 question. The total number of questions will be 85 this time. Okay. And then when we are going for this one, test paper shall consist of multiple choice question. Yes, 2 hour duration. All right, guys. And no negative marking. This is an important thing. There will be no negative marking in the CBT test. Okay. In case the exam is held in more than one session, the scores across various sessions will be equated, normalized to adjust for the slight differences in difficulty level of the session. Okay. The test center, they mention here the test center. These 18 cities will be the test center here. Okay, how to apply step by step is mentioned here. You can apply between 10th January, means today, up to the 24th January you can apply, and you need to go to the official website. You need to go to the official website ongcindia.com. Okay, and here we can just see more details. Please check it out, the details. They mention here some general instructions. Yeah, application fees is there for the general EWS 1000 rupees, OBC 1000 rupees, SC ST PWBD no charges will be there. Okay, and the date again I'm repeating, 10 to 24th you can apply. The conduct of CBT tentatively on the 23rd February 2025 we are having. According to this one, you can check it out, the details bachcho. Okay, they mention here more details, you can check it out. We will try to attach this PDF in the description box or in the comment box, so you will get the more details here, and this is the official website where you will get the more details. Okay, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.